What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you how I build a weekly watch list. Check it out. Guys, let's jump into this video here. What we're going to do here in this video is I'm going to show you step by step how I make a weekly watch list, and we're going to make together this week's watch list. We're going to send that out in an email blast as well, because we email our weekly watch list and our daily watch list every day for free. All you have to do is go to the daytraderchatroom.com and just scroll all the way to the bottom. And on the bottom right hand side, you're going to see the sign up. Just sign up for the weekly and daily watch list right there. Just put in your email and you're boom, done. All right. Also, you can always partake in our weekly watch list and our daily watch list in the free Discord. There's a link in the description and the comment section to the free Discord. Also, this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, remember Friday the market's closed because it's observance of Christmas Saturday morning, right? So with Friday the market closed, we only have 4 trading days this week. That means this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to be giving away free gifts. We're going to be doing contests, and we're also going to be doing trader awards in the Discord. So make sure you sign up for that and join us so that you can also have a chance at winning some prizes like tablets, NFTs, watches, scanners, and more. Now let's go ahead and jump into the charts. All right, guys, the first thing I do when I'm starting off my weekly watch list is I go take a look at the charts on the previous week's watch list. So Roblox was on watch previous week here. And let's take a quick scroll around. Okay, we can come back to this one. SGMA was also on the weekly, and it did exactly what we expected it to do. Made that move all the way up here towards the 17. So we'll get rid of this one because it's pulling back some. We might come back to it and take a quick look. PTPI. We will not be putting it on this week's watch list. Previous week we had Tesla. We might keep it on this week's watch list as well. And then now we can start writing these up. So the first thing I do is I go through those and see which ones I'm going to probably keep on this week's watch list. So I open up a new tab and start writing those down either in an email or in a Word document. In this case, it's an email, as I email these over to Jonal, who is our site admin over at the daytraderchatroom.com and at the Discord, and he sends out the mass email to all of you with all this information. So I write that up, and then the next thing I do, and I'll show you here really quickly, is I come on over here to the dashboard. This is where the watch list was, and I'll go through each day and see which one of these stocks is potentially still in play based off of the daily chart. So PTPI, BLU, SGMA, BFRI, some of the ones we're going to be watching. So let's see here. Fhtx, probably nothing, right? Oh, wow, this one actually came back some. Yeah, you know what? We're going to keep it on watch for a break and hold that $20 level. We're going to be watching that level right there. So we'll come here into the document, Fhtx, watching for a break and a hold of the $20 level, which could have room towards 25. Why 25? Well, check it out. Right there. Look at all that past resistance in that $25 level right there. So we'll be watching for that on Fhtx this week. All right. Next, we're going to look at, let's see, BLU was on the watch list on Monday. Nah, I'm not going to keep this one on. BFRI, we've been watching as well. So we'll continue to keep it on watch for a break and hold of 8. BFRI watching for a break and hold of the $8 area. Could have room towards 10. ALZN still hasn't been able to break through this level here. So as long as it hasn't broken through that level, it's really not in play. We'll probably keep it on watch here a little bit. ALZN watching for break and hold of the 350 area. Could have room to 5. To see if any of these are still in play. GMTX, nothing here. So we'll go ahead and clean up this chart now. GRTX. Now we'll move on to Thursday. KXIN, Tesla SPY, BCTX. So let's go take a look at some of those here. We can look at KXIN. I doubt it. Yeah, I'm not going to keep that on the weekly. BCTX, not keeping it on the weekly. So nothing from Thursday is going to transition over to the weekly watch list. Friday, BLPH, nothing. ADGI, nothing right now that I keep on watch. Rivian, Rivian. If anything, I'd be watching to see if $100 continues to become resistance here for further downside on Rivian. So we'll put that on the watch list here. Rivian watching for the $100 area to hold resistance for further downside slide. All right, so we have so far 4 stocks that we have on watch. We've already analyzed the chart and we put on watch here on the weekly watch list: Fhtx, BFRI, ALZN, RIVN. Now let's head on over to Roblox and let's take a quick look at Roblox here and see what that one's looking like, because this one actually broke down under some major support and major support here. And we had a really good solid line of support in here at 110, and both of those have broken down. Now we're underneath those, but we do have the 50-day moving average there, and we do have a strong $90 to $92 support there. I think I'm going to leave Roblox alone for a while, so that one's not going to make it on the weekly watch list today. Let's go take a quick peek at Tesla. We've filled the gap to the downside. We broke, no, we didn't break underneath it, did we? No, this is just a misprint. So we filled the gap to the downside. We've bounced back. We're trying to hold above the $900 level. On Tesla, we want to see whether or not we can reclaim these 940s and get back above this level here. So let's clean up this chart real quick. Let's put a line here across this low previous support zone at 944. We want to see if we can reclaim that level and hold it as support. So Tesla, watching for a reclaim of the 945, let's say 945 area as support for a move back to 980. Why 980? Well, 980 is this level right, if I'm not mistaken, right around there. The low of this little candle right here. Okay, so there you go. So we have Tesla, Fhtx, BFRI, ALZN. Next to take a peek at is going to be the SPY. Let's take a look at the SPY here, guys. Let's clean up this chart again. We traded SPY puts on Friday. That video is up here in the channel. So on the SPY now, I think really what we want to do is we want to see the SPY hold this 460 right there. We want to see that 460 begin to base out and show support on the SPY. Let's write this up. SPY watching for the 460 area to base out and hold support to see if the Santa rally is still possible. If it breaks under this level and creeps back down to 450, I believe the Santa rally is officially over for 2021. All right, so we have a really good watch list at this point, guys. We have Tesla, Fhtx. Let's go over them one by one here. Tesla, watching for a reclaim of 945 area, could have support and a move back to 980s. Fhtx, we're looking at the $20 level to begin holding support right up here for a potential move back up towards 25. BFRI, we're only watching for a break and hold of the $8 area for a move back towards the $10 zone. And ALZN, we're only watching for a break and hold of this level here, tremendous resistance of 347, 350 for a move back towards 5. Could get a nice little short squeeze there. Rivian watching for further backside weakness here off of this $100 level, maybe potential new resistance as it used to be. Very nice support here on the daily chart. And then lastly but not least, we're looking at the SPY to see if this 460 area wants to hold support. And then that might hold and keep intact the Santa rally. Otherwise, we're looking at potential more downside that could bring it back down here to this 100-day moving average if there is more bad news out there in the overall market, okay? So that's going to be the weekly watch list for this week. We use the weekly watch list for potential swing trades. We use it for slow days when there's really nothing cooking. Go look at the weekly watch list. Very often, I've had days where it's been very, very slow. I've dug into the bag of tricks that is the weekly watch list, found myself a trade, made some money, and saved the day. So it's good to have a weekly watch list and stocks that you're always keeping there, kind of like a little bag of tricks, you know, because you just never know when you're going to need it. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and hit the like button for me. It really helps out tremendously. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Remember, this week, like I said, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to be doing giveaways and awards in the Discord. So there's a link in the description section and comment section for you to come join us. All right. I hope you're having yourself a great weekend. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.